Hello everyone, and welcome to a new series slash old series. So this one is from quite a while ago. Hannah and I started a series called For the Love of Homemade Kits. I don't even remember when it was. 2014. No, sorry, not 2014. 2018 maybe. And I think we stopped doing it after a while. I think we might have done it for a year maybe. And by the end of it, we had a bunch of people with us. This time around, the three of us, it's me, Hannah, and Khristina Sorge. We are starting it all up again together with the three of us, and we are so excited to be doing this again. So without further ado, you will have seen the prompts for the kit. Khristina made up a lovely graphic, and we had decided on papers, embellishments, mixed media, and alphas. So if you would like to join in, just message us on Facebook. My name on Facebook is Meggy Blethen, or on Instagram is Crafty Meggy. But let's just jump right in. So my kit is a very fall-y, themey kind of kit. It's kind of fall, but kind of colorful fall. So I will just show you the papers first, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, so the first paper that I started with was this wood grain. I really love this wood grain paper. It is from Kaiser Craft, and it's the Christmas edition collection. It is called Coal. I picked it for this side. This is what the other side looks like, which is really not fallish. That's more Christmassy because it's obviously from a Christmas collection, but I really liked this color, the gray and the darker gray and everything. Then next up, I chose this green leafy paper. I really love these two colors together. They go really well. This one is from Wild Whisper. It's designed by Tori Bissell, and it's from the Home for the Holidays collection. It's kind of funny that both of these are Christmassy, right? I promise it's more of a fall-y kit, though, as I keep going. Okay, then for the floral paper, I brought in this brown one, which kind of made it feel like more of a fall kit to me, was this brown paper. And fall, you can still get greens as well. So I really liked this one. This one I got from a paper pad. I'm not sure what collection it's from. I believe it is a Maggie Holmes, though. Then I brought in this black and white stripe. So we were supposed to pick a black and white paper. So this is my black and white paper. And this is kind of an interesting kit. Like, I was making it while I was chatting with some friends on Facebook, and so I was paying attention to this, but I was also paying attention to them, and so it's kind of an interesting kit. But I've already found some photos that I want to use with it, so I'm super excited about using it. Okay, next up, I have my striped paper, which is another prompt in our kit. What do you call it? Like our recipe. Our kit recipe was stripes. So I picked out this yellow and white one, but I also picked out this colorful one because it had the browns and then the greens in it. And so it tied in with these two papers here, and I really liked that. So I'm not really sure I love this one, but it's okay. I also, for the black and white prompt, I also threw in this one, which is, I think it was a full 12 by 12 paper, but this is all I have left. Okay, then we were supposed to pick a mostly solid color. I picked this scrap because it goes with the greenish, tealish in here. And then it also goes with the yellows and the browns and then the blacks as well. I also grabbed this. I was going to make some cloud cutouts apparently, but this is another scrap that I had. This is another fun little scrap I had that I thought I would include. And then here's another somewhat solid scrap as well. It kind of goes with this red color. Then last but not least, we were supposed to pick a paper that we made, a mixed media paper that we made a while ago or, you know, recently or whatever, that we never ended up using. So like a mixed media background or something like that. So I made this a crazy long time ago and I recently just found it in my stash because I've been kind of cleaning up and going through old stuff and everything. And so I thought it would be kind of fun to cut out these pieces in like layers and just stick them in the kit. I think I'm just going to leave it like this and we'll just kind of go from there. So the green kind of matches here and then the pink doesn't really match, but I'm okay with it. This is, here, I'll flip it around this way so you see the green. I was picking it mainly for the green. I really like that. So here's my crazy mix matched papers. This will be a very interesting kit, right? Okay, then next up, I'll show you, whoops, I'm losing things. I'll show you my embellishments. So first up, we were supposed to choose stickers. So I went with these stickers from a Close to My Heart collection that was from, I think this was fall 2018 is what I want to say. I really loved this collection, but apparently I never used any of the stickers. So I'm going to throw those into this kit. I really love the blue. The navy kind of doesn't really go with this, but it totally goes with these, everything else. And then this, the gather, the wood look, totally goes with everything here, except for the black and white, but that's okay. So that's the stickers I'm going to be using. Then we needed a dimensional element. So these aren't chipboard, but they're kind of really, really thick cardstock. And so I'm going to count those as my dimensional embellishment. And so this is kind of something fun that Close to My Heart does. They create little cutouts or punch outs that you use in your kits. So that's another thing that I'm going to be using. This was just kind of an add-in. I had cut this out using a cut to you cut file. I lost the A, so I'm going to have to come up with something. I'm thinking I'll probably just use an alpha, an A from an alpha. Then we were supposed to pick out a Project Life card. So I picked out two. I thought these colors went really well with these fall type dark browns and green colors. So that's that. Ribbon was another embellishment. So I grabbed a brown ribbon that goes with each of these kind of fall-y type colors. Flare badges. So I grabbed a few flare badges. And then we were supposed to pick out a glittery element. And I couldn't really find anything. And then I remembered I still had some of these American Crafts brads from my Christmas kit, my December scrapbooking store kit. So I was super excited that I found those. And the blue doesn't technically go, but I could stretch it. But the yellow definitely will go with the kit. So this is my crazy kit. Don't judge me. I'm very rusty when it comes to making kits. It's been a long time since I've made a kit of my own. So just tell me how much you love it and I'll feel better about myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will stick around. We are going to be posting layouts every Monday of the month. I'm going to try to keep up and post a layout every Monday, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this kit as much as I do. It just makes me happy, even though it's kind of a mishmash. I'm super excited. I hope that you'll join me on Monday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I forgot. I had one more piece of paper, and I left it laying on my desk to the side of my desk. So this is my paper. And then I also forgot to show you all of my alphabets. So this is another paper that I decided I was going to add in for a little bit more color. Okay, then let's do alphas. I have like 6, 7 here because a lot of them I'm getting down to the wire and I don't really have a ton left, but I really liked the colors. So first up we have this Amy Tangerine thickers, and these are called Other Half. I really liked the color of these, and they definitely would go with the yellow and the blacks. So there's that one. Then I have this American Crafts Thickers called Fairy Tale, which I recently just picked up, and I absolutely love the navy color. Then I have Amy Tangerine once again, and these are called Goodness. I really liked the peachy color. It totally matches with this striped paper there. Then I also have these Dear Lizzie thickers called Treasure, and these ones are just getting down to the very nitty gritty. So I thought it would be kind of fun to use those up. Then I also have the American Crafts Lindsay, and these are glitter letter stickers. So this is another way that I am adding glitter into my kit, is with the thickers. Then, of course, you can't have a pretty kit without gold, so I picked 2 different gold alphas. This one is American Crafts Dreamer, and that's a Maggie Holmes one because it's got the pink foam on it. And then also American Crafts glitter foam called Daiquiri. And this one I actually have a lot left of. I have used a lot of the vowels and stuff though, so we'll see what we can get from these. But yeah, that's the end of my kit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will come back on Monday and see my very first layout. Make sure you check out the other ladies' links below. I will have links to their kits so that you can see those. And I will see you again very soon. Bye!